One aspect of your personality that is unknown to the world?
Well, a lot of people don't know that I do. I'm a. I consider myself. I'm not trained, but I do lots and lots of installation art. So surprisingly, if you even come down Nehru Place's metro, which has got millions of people who walk through every day to the metro station. So I have art there. I've done art for installation art for many artists, and I feel I do a lot. I'm good at product design, but fashion is so much in the news that nobody wants to know anything else about me.
If you were to bring one international designer to India, who would that be?
Well, easy question for me because I love the Comme des Garçons brand and the fact that Rei Kawakubo is someone who's just showing at the Met these days and is getting all the international people go there and admire her work. And for lots of us who just cannot go to New York to see this, I think it will be a great opportunity, and Indians need to see that how a young Japanese designer made it on the strength of giving them Japanese design to the world and everybody appreciating it. So I hope she comes to India, and a lot of Indians are inspired to do something with the Indian brand.
Your wish for Made in India?
For Make in India, I wish that we churn out such precision work, such quality work out of India, be it in textile or be it in machinery. But the fact is that if you churn out the best in fashion, I want India to be known also as a luxury destination for product. So I want that the Indian handloom, so much time is spent on it. So what I want is that when the world should appreciate the kind of handcrafted we can give to them, that it should be considered a luxury product.
Other than yourself, who's the most stylish Indian man?
Well, thank you for calling me stylish, but I would rate, people have forgotten him, I think, but Pandit Nehru, what he's given to all of us in India and the world, he gave us the Nehru jacket. You switch on the television, you see, go any walk of life, you check out the politicians, you do anything, and they're wearing a bandi, which is known as the Nehru jacket. And I've been wearing it for a long, long time, much before it came into fashion today. And I think I would rate him as one of the most stylish amongst the young guys today. Ranveer Singh is somebody who dares to do things. When you dare to experiment, when you turn up in what you think is stylish, then that's important, And the wearer then doesn't have to speak. That's what style is all about.
You've done a lot of installation art. Which artist inspires you the most?
S.H. Raza. And Mujhe Raza Saab ke liye, I have so much respect that I was fortunate enough to work on a project of doing 2 of his limited edition carpets. And he was so humble that when I went to present it to him, he kind of offered to, or did offer and said to his team that I want to keep it in my studio or my bedroom. So he chose a product of something I made for Raza Saab in his bedroom or his studio, a part of the Raza Foundation works that he had done over the years. Amongst the young ones, I have done work with Thukral Tagra. We've collaborated on 2 things. Of course, all their ideas are there, so that's why I respect them. But the little thing I did was to do another carpet collection, not only for their product, one of their artwork, but when they had something in Sweden or Copenhagen or or Norway, one of the Scandinavian countries, they put up a big show there. And in that I did collaborate and send lots of mini carpets which they arranged in the shape of an airplane or something, their own idea. So I kind of produced a product for artists like them. So I appreciate them for that, and suddenly one day I did a product in design and we collaborated to make a necklace, which is something they have never done. So we made a necklace in pure metal, in gold, and then we did speakers and iPhone docks. That was unusual that we made it in terracotta. So imagine working with 2 young artists as popular as them and doing, a terracotta iDoc speaker compartments, and that was unusual.
One business advice you would offer to young designers?
I would say to them, Bina mare swarg nahi milta. So what you need to do is really work hard, and then if you get time, you can play hard. So I support this campaign, which is Leaders of India, when presented by Born of Web. I support it because, every young guy today needs somebody to inspire him. May not be me, maybe from any other walk of life, but what's important is to each his own. And there is a story out there which will show you that all of them, all the leaders or people who they consider leaders, they've all struggled to make it where they are, and everybody has their own mantra in life. So learn from that, and I'm sure in years to come you will be part of this program.